how are you? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start our Unit 4 from the book It So Happened, our supplementary reader. The name of the chapter is The Treasure Within. It is written by Miss Bela Raja, that is from Sparsh. Miss Bela Raja is the news editor. She has taken an interview of Hafiz Contractor. The name of the paper name is Sparsh. She's editor from Sparsh. So let me give you brief information about Hafiz Contractor. Hafiz Contractor, born in 1950, okay? He is well-known architecture in India, okay? In India, he has lots of contract and he has a setup of his own organization where there is approx 350 people around there. So he has completed his studies in Mumbai 1975 architecture bachelor degree. Then after he went to Columbia University in New York for his masters. So that is the brief information that I have given you about Hafiz Ji, contractor. Now here, contractor loved action, not studies. In this interview, Miss Bela Raja has talked about his life. He has asked through questions to Hafiz Contractor and he has replied to it. So let me explain you the whole story about Hafiz whole interview about what was about Hafiz Contractor. So he was not good in his studies. Hafiz Contractor was not good in his studies. He liked to play here and there, move. He is not good in his studies too. Initial basis, like in standard 1, standard 2, he was good in his studies, but from third onwards, he is not good. He has a problem with a subject math. He always has a problem with the subject math. He has nightmares. सपने आते थे उनको मैथ के प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में कि उन्होंने एग्जाम में पेपर आया है और उन्होंने सम अटेंड किए, नहीं आया, नहीं बिकम फेल. ठीक है. So contractor loved action at not theories. He always loved action. He has a group of friends. So he was the main leader. He has his own cricket team in his school and he was the leader of that cricket team. So he just like na boss जैसे होता है, he was like that in his team. The principal's advice. जैसे जैसे करके he has come up to 10th standard. Then in 10th, as you know, there is a board. So principal called this contractor and advised him कि अभी तक तो मैंने आपको जैसे तैसे करके 10th तक पहुंचा दिया है, but now you have to take care of your studies. As you know, your father is not there. उनके पापा नहीं थे. As you know, your father is not there. So your mother is working really very hard to keep you studies. ठीक है. But if you will not clear your 10th exam, then it will be very difficult for your mother to go for when told you to go for studies. ठीक है. So उस तरीके से प्रिंसिपल ने उनको एडवाइस दिया. Then after his advice worked. ठीक है. जैसे तैसे करके he has cleared his 10th standard. He scored 50% in SSC. Then after, as I tell you that in Mumbai, what they have till 10th there is a school, and once they come in college, thereafter there will be a junior. In 11th standard there will be a junior college. ठीक है. So जैसे तैसे करके उनको एडमिशन मिल गया कॉलेज में. Then she asked about the punishment in school. Did you get any punishment in school? He said there was a punishment in the school. क्या होता था? हाथ पे डंडा मारते थे and थोड़ी देर के लिए पेन होता था, देन आफ्टर वी फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग एंड वी गो फॉर अ प्ले। जब हम खेलने जाते थे तो सब भूल जाते थे। सो उस तरीके से पनिशमेंट्स के बारे में भी बात करी हुई है। शी हैज मिस बेला हैज आस्क्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग अबाउट हिज चाइल्डहुड। अ स्पोर्ट्स फ्रीक, he is always a sports freak, he love to play, ठीक है, वो उसका जुनून, पागल थे वो खेलने के लिए। जैसे ही स्कूल खत्म हुआ, he used to play whatever, like he will collect all the friends and they used to play, ठीक है। then after once in a day they used to have a चोर पुलिस, ठीक है, चोर पुलिस खेलते थे वो लोग। studied in Jai Hind College, as I told you he scored SSC 50% in SSC. then after he has taken admission in Jai Hind College, but it is not easy to get admission over there, so जैसे तैसे करके जैक लगा के he has taken admission in that college. in that college it is compulsory to take German or French, ठीक है। French, he is not knowing anything about French, but German he was knowing something about the German language, so he has decided to take a German. Once he has decided, but what happened, the teacher who was teaching them German, he has left the job, ठीक है, he has left the job from the college. So college people told them that either you take admission in take a French subject or else you can go somewhere else. but जैसे तैसे करके बहुत जैक लगा के he has taken admission in this college, ठीक है, in Jai Hind College. so finally he has decided to take a French, so he has taken a French. then after, it is not easy to learn French. French learn करना easy नहीं है. so what he has decided, to whom he has taken the help, he has taken the help of his brother-in-law, उनके cousin बहन के husband की उन्होंने help करी. and he was a architecture, ठीक है, he was a architecture and he knows French very well, so he used to go in his office to learn the French. once he was learning the things, he observed that a fellow who was sitting in that office was making a sketch of a window panel, ठीक है, window panel. it's very difficult to make a sketch of window panel because like it takes a lot of knowledge about where the window will be there, how it will open. so it's very important to take a window in a architecture work, ठीक है। he has done that fellow was doing that work. he saw that picture and he told him that who told him that contractor, Hafiz contractor, is informed him that this panel, this window, the design of the window is wrong, so this window will not open once you get fixed it. there was a bet between that fellow and a contractor, and at last that bet, who has won, that contractor has won. so seriously that window was not opening when they fixed the design, ठीक है। this was seen by this brother-in-law of contractor, उनके जीजा जी ने देखा कि this fellow is having a knowledge about all these things. he asked him, can you show me some other pictures so that I can be see either you are not knowing the things or not. he has shown the picture and it was a great, he has advised him, leave all this stuff, this college and everything, just go for architecture, ठीक है। he has taken admission in New York, he has taken admission in the architecture college, ठीक है, admission in architecture. there he was scoring a first rank, he is having only 50% in SSC, ठीक है। so in the college which he wanted to go, there it is they required 80 to 90% to get the admission, and they are having one entrance exam. so the principal of that college has informed him that if you score more than 80 to 80 to 85 or 90%, then and then only you are allowed to be take a admission. In that entrance he scored A plus, okay? And from that onwards, in each and every exams he is scoring a good marks. So first rank always he is scoring. Then after what happened? He is gifted as a learning. He was very good in his studies. Okay? Previously he was not there because he has a problem with maths. But now he has to deal with the maths things only, because in designing it is very necessary to be deal with the maths numbers like inches, feet and everything. It will be there. Then after, as you see, there is he has a mind and he has scored a good marks. He has cleared his bachelor's, he has cleared his master's, and he become a well-known architecture. He is having a good knowledge of it. He has designed a malls, a cinemas, hotels, building, hospitals. He is, as you will search in Google, you will learn about office contractor. So his structures like कि when whosoever is come in his office, उनका face देख के, उनका style देख के, he can see that what type of person he is and what he is going to be do. मतलब वो sketch बना के उनको at a time दे देते थे, या तो फिर अपने office staff में से जिनको भी उनको काम देना था, he used to give, and still he is working and he is a very renowned architecture. So that was the story of this Hafiz contractor. This story wants to convey that you do whatever you want to do. You just convey this to your parents that I want to be I want to be in this particular profession. I assure you that your parents will not deny you for that, but you have to be perfect in it what you want to achieve. You have to be you have to set your mind on that goal and you will achieve your goal. I hope you all have understood this. Bye bye. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe.